Alrighty, folks. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And I might not be your financial advisor, but I am a good friend to have, whether you know me in person or you're halfway across the world in Bangladesh and you're never going to see me in person. Either way, if you followed us since yesterday, I mentioned that I've closed all of my longs, opened up shorts across the board, mostly in Bitcoin. Party's over, right? Price was 81.31, I believe, when I put the video out publicly, right? I'm not talking about our Discord. Our Discord trading group has been kicking ass. Kicking ass for, I believe it's what, like maybe the past week I've been a little more active. Just been nailing all the moves. Been nailing it. Nailing the scalp bottoms, tops. Saying, hey, this is take profit area. Boom. It's the bottom. Boom. Enter it. Boom. Take profit. Been killing it. But it's not what you can do for me yesterday. It's what you can do for me today and tomorrow. I am no stranger to this. No stranger. So, what does the future look like? Danger? Or are we going to get you in that new Ranger Rover? Someone in our actually Discord, one of our testimonials, someone bought a new Range Rover from their profits. Shout out to that guy. Anyways, let's take a look, see here. So if you shorted at 81.31 from yesterday's video, close enough. Bitcoin went all the way down. Wait, that's not right. Okay, we're on the 2-day. Let's chill out a little bit here. Okay. Going on the hourly. So the price moved all the way down, almost 5%. Right now, sitting, you'd be at a cool almost 4% in profit if you didn't have any leverage. Good stuff. So let's take a look, see here, looking at the daily. This isn't going to be a long video. I got stuff to do. Nothing really new on the weekly, 5-day. We have upward VWAP momentum, but nothing new here. Still the deep wound. Enhance. 3-day. Still deep in the red. VWAP coming down a little bit. Honestly, my gut feeling is we're just going to repeat basically repeat this type of pattern. We had the up move. Repeat something like this. Probably continue down. Let's see what the charts tell us. Not my own thoughts. Deep in the money flow in the red here. Got a little anchor trigger wave. What I would want to see is if I'm looking to long, which I don't think I am. Is this money flow going to continue to the upside or continue sideways and down? So let's go to the daily. Daily looks like we have a red dot here pinching off. Makes sense from what we see on the price action right here. Money flow came up a little bit. Let's go to the 12-hour. We see here that, remember, we're in an overall downtrend. So this zero line is a point of resistance. As you see previously, we've came up, breached it a tiny bit, came back down. Most likely, I feel that we're going to be going through the same thing. Breached a little bit, most likely coming back down. We are clipping right here. RSIs also moving to the downside. VWAP in the downside. Let's go to the 8-hour. Money flow. From what it has been able to breach to the upside, looks like it's coming down. Go to the 6. Kind of the same picture. Go to the 4. Momentum going to the downside. Looks like money flow is potentially also going down, so we're going to keep an eye on that on the lower time frames. Let's check it out. 3-hour, pretty much the same thing. Let's go to the 2. 2 gives us a much better, clearer picture. I'm liking this. for the shorts. See our money flows coming down quite nicely. We have a nice red dot right here. Momentum seems to be like it's going to continue to the downside. Digging it. Have a little doji candle on the hike in the sheet. Looks like it's failing to the downside. So that's good for us that are in shorts. Take a look at the hourly. Look at this wave. This is a interesting, unique wave right here. You don't see this too often. Just getting battered to the downside. RSI is down, everything down. 45 minute. Nothing really new there. Looking at the 30. Interesting. On the 30. Interesting on the 30. Maybe some potential fight. But again, we're in an overall downtrend. Not really looking to do anything there. As we enhance to the 15 minute, we see that we have breached to the upside, but doesn't really look like there's much strength. What's our volume looking like? Volume down. Yeah. I have taken profits numerous times. You know, you don't have to hit a grand slam every time. You get runs and scores. You know, if you have, I tell you what, the 5 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, these lower time frames have been amazing. When you have the money flow going in one direction, momentum triggers, anchors going in one direction, you get in, get out when you're in profit on the other side. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. As far as the war, you guys know how I feel. Hang on, give me 1 second. I have to pause. All right, I'm back. Where were we? 5 minute has been awesome if you're following the anchors, momentum, triggers, money flow, let everything line up. Take your profits. What else more can we ask for? We pray for the Ukrainian airplane that was shot down by an Iranian missile. Knew it when I saw it. And they didn't even say it in the news for like the first day. I was like, they got shot down. And one of the flight attendants was a girl from my girlfriend's hometown in Ukraine. So very sad, very sad. I think about how, you know, I don't want to say what her name is, but we'll call her Rebecca. You know, a beautiful, beautiful, smart, moraled little Rebecca, you know, has her whole life in front of her, never did any drugs, never did anything stupid, always did good in school, was always nice to everyone, and her life was taken away, and it sucks. Sucks. So, thankful for what we have, and yeah, this is makes sense how we have, you know, a little bit of consolidation or resistance or support right here, whatever you want to call it. I think we're probably going to continue down more. I put my money where my mouth is, for better or for worse. Let's take a look at gold. Just for giggles. Yeah, we'll see what happens with gold. Hasn't moved that much. Still at 1550. What about ETH? ETH has been acting a little different. Bitcoin's been making the big moves. Yeah, nothing really exciting. Meh, whatever. Down here, money flow's coming down. Maybe a little bit of room to the downside is what it is. My Bitcoin is where it's at. Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we got room to the downside, all right. Money flow's coming down. We got more to go, baby. More to go. More to go. So let's keep it rolling here, folks. We're having a good time. Keep it simple. Until next time, again, shout out to everyone who maybe participated in what I did or something similar from the stream yesterday or whatever. Streaming and trading is tough, dealing with trolls and people saying it's going to go up and go down. I mean, I can only imagine the things people would have said yesterday if my $1 million short when the price went up to 8,100. Imagine, I can only imagine what people would have been saying if I was streaming it. If it hit 8,150, I probably would have cut it. But held that bitch through. It sure has paid off. I have definitely taken some profit on that trade. And I have other shorts. You know, we're just full guns blazing, letting time go by. We're going to keep getting it. So, thank you. And good night.